Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Prism Infotech Hasana. Future and features of Python. Simple and easy to learn. Popularity and high salary. Object-oriented programming. Scripting and automation. Computer graphics. Portable and extensible. Testing framework. Artificial intelligence. Machine learning. Deep learning. Big data. Data science. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics. Exploration and data analysis. Academic scientific research. Statistics. Online or offline. Start learning Python today. Log into your future as early as possible. Thank you.